It is a successful agri-entrepreneurial. In this, there is a questionnaire, and there are about near about 15 questions. And when you visit to entrepreneur, you ask these questions to him or her, to the entrepreneur. First is a profile of enterprise. In this, first question is the name of enterprise, then location of the enterprise, then name, qualification, and experience of the entrepreneur. Then what is the type of enterprise, whether it is a small, medium, or a big. Then which type of ownership, means it is an individual or a jointly or a partnership mode. Then product description. Then capacity of a production, means production is a seasonal or a annually. Then you have to take the registration details from them. Then physical infrastructure. In a physical infrastructure, there is a raw material, labor, what is the requirement of a skilled labor, semi-skilled labor, unskilled labor, and what is the requirement of a raw material. Then what is the requirement of a staff, which how much power, water, fuel used by the entrepreneur for the enterprise. Then where he disposed the waste product. Then communication system, what are the transportation facilities. Then you have to take description about the production process. Then what equipment and machinery are used, and what are the cost of these equipments. Then what type of technology used. Then what he do for the quality control and the inspection. Clear? Then market information, means what is the demand of a product which he produced, and what is how he supply in a market. Then technical guidance. Then market strategy, how they publicize their product and how they distribute their product. Then capital cost, what is the capital cost of a land, buildings, machinery, equipment, machinery, vehicles. Clear? Next, financial analysis. In a financial analysis, you asked about a question of cost of cultivation or cost of a production. What is a production? What is the sale price? And what are their net returns? Then you can ask question about a layout of enterprise. Then you ask about a financial assistance, whether they take from a bank. If they take loan from a bank, then you ask question about the name of the bank, then amount of a loan, then subsidy availed, source of a amount of a source. So these are the questions which asked by you to the entrepreneur. Clear? If you have any doubt, you can ask me.